Hello and welcome to Philip's Thoughts. Had a thought. I've got issues getting up and down. I figured other people might as well, so I thought I'd share this tool that I built to help me, so I don't have to get up and down so much when I'm planting in the garden. Now, this is something for the springtime, but hey, you can make this and give it as a Christmas present or something this year. This tool just helps me plant seeds, so I don't have to get up and down so much. And I'm going to show you a couple ways to use this. It's really a simple device. The tube here, I've got a 1/2-inch tube that the seeds will run down, and I just used a handle for a broom or a shovel, and just some zip ties. And on the end here, I put a screw in the tip, just to give me a little smaller area to poke holes in the ground to put the seeds in, and I'll show you that here in a bit. But it's really simple to make, under 10 bucks worth of parts, easy. So just, yeah, nice simple tool. Just thought I'd go ahead and show it out, demonstrate it. Something, that you can put together yourself. You like getting out in the garden and, but you don't like having to get up and down, when you're planting your seeds and all that kind of stuff, getting everything in there. You try to do it standing up and then the seeds go all over the place. So this helps you, put the seeds where you want them. And, it's not so bad on your knees or your back. So let me go ahead and I'll demonstrate that out for you here. Okay, so for our demonstration, we've got our nice little garden here, which is our swimming pool with sand in it. Now, like I said, there's a couple ways you can use this. Now, we're going to say, we go ahead and we grab our hoe and we're going to go ahead and put our row in. So we're just going to go ahead and, we're going to dig our row, and we say, okay, we want to put seeds in here. So we dig that, but we don't want to have to be getting up and down to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our tool, we're going to go ahead and line it up. Now I'm using some big sunflower seeds just to demonstrate, and hopefully this comes through. And I'll just slide one down the tube. And then you just kind of, walk it along. Just take it, however far apart you need to do it. And the seeds easily slide down the tube. Now, once you get the seeds in there, all you have to do is just go ahead and, cover them up gently, and you're good to go. All right, so now we're going to pretend that, you've got a lot of mulch going on, and you want to go ahead and you just want to poke the hole in. So what you would do is use your tip, get the mulch out of the way, use the little screw that we put on the end to go ahead and, get your hole in the dirt. And then you're going to take your seed and just, run it straight down the hole. And it goes into the hole, and then you just cover it up. And just tap it in. And that's all there is to it, We can do that again. And go ahead and just put another hole there. Grab my seed. And slide her down the tube, and it goes right into the hole. Anyways, that's how you do it. You just slide it, you poke your hole with that, and you just put your seed right in the top here, and it slides down the tube. And then, right into the hole it goes. And, if somebody has, a little trouble, older folk has trouble, putting it into that small of a tube, you could easily rig this up with like a small funnel, so they have a bigger place to, place their seeds and put it down. And I'm using a rather big seed, doing the sunflowers here for this demonstration. But this would work with anything, little carrot seeds or any seed that you want to, beans, peas, etc. You just may want to adjust the size of the tube if you're using something that has like a real big seed to it, to make sure it doesn't get stuck. But other than that, it's a quick and easy tool to make. And, I think, comes in real helpful. So, save your knees, so save your knees, save your back. And you don't need to get nearly as dirty this way either. So yeah, it's got pluses all the way around, and speed things up. Because like I said, you can just kind of drag this along and just keep dropping seeds as you go, putting the seeds in your rows, and you can do it pretty quick and fairly accurately too. So you're not spreading and wasting seeds all over the place. So I hope you like that. Hope you like this little tip and trick. Build one of these yourselves, or do you have something like this already? Let us know. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And, comment below. Is there anything else that you'd be interested in seeing? Do you have any ideas for creating, a tool that you use on your farm or garden? Thank you. And keep thinking, guys.